Hello, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make a very healthy dish made with beetroot and eggs. Hope you like my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Peel and finely chop the ginger, garlic and onions. Longitudinally cut the beetroot. Peel a hard-boiled egg and keep aside. Heat oil in a pan and add the chopped onions. Add salt and saute for a minute and then add the ginger and garlic. Saute till the onions turn translucent. Then add the beetroot and cook with intermittent stirring. You can check whether the beetroot has got cooked by pressing with the end of the spoon. Once the beetroot is cooked, add the turmeric, coriander, cumin and red chilli powder and saute for a minute. Then grate the boiled egg into it and mix it well. Saute for another 1 or 2 minutes and then turn off the flame. Add garam masala powder and mix it well. Then transfer it to a serving plate and enjoy the delicious dish. It can be eaten on its own or with any of the Indian breads. I've served it with the cucumber shallow fry, dry roasted papad and thepla.